The Gadget Sage, AI wars, voice assistants, video geniuses, and the race for your workspace. Hello, and welcome back to the Gadget Sage, your trusted voice in the noisy world of tech. And today, we're diving deep into the new AI battlefield, where OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic are not just building chatbots, but entire AI ecosystems that could change how we work, create, and even relax. We're talking about three big headlines. OpenAI is secretly building a social network powered by ChatGPT. Google just dropped Veo 2, a next-gen AI that can create full cinematic video clips from simple text. And Anthropic? They've quietly rolled out voice assistants, workspace integrations, and a new research tool that might be smarter than your average search engine. If that sounds like a lot, don't worry. We'll break it all down, piece by piece. Let's get started. The AI social network you didn't see coming. Let's start with a juicy one. OpenAI, yes, the company behind ChatGPT, is apparently building its own version of X, formerly Twitter. According to multiple reports, there's already a working prototype inside OpenAI. It looks like a social feed, but instead of angry tweets, it's built around ChatGPT's image generation capabilities. Imagine this. You upload a picture of your dog. ChatGPT suggests a funny caption, writes a short poem about your pup, and creates a stylized AI portrait. Then, your followers comment, and AI generates replies that sound just like you. Why is OpenAI doing this? Because Musk's Grok is already integrated into X, using the real-time data to train its AI. Meta's Llama is trained on Facebook and Instagram content. OpenAI needs its own pipeline of real-world, conversational, social data, and this might be their move. Plus, CEO Sam Altman recently clapped back at Elon Musk with a pretty bold joke. No thanks, we'll buy Twitter for $9.74 billion instead. So, will we see a ChatGPT-powered social app soon? We don't know, but it's clear OpenAI is not just building a chatbot, they're building a media platform. And for creators, that could mean new tools to write, draw, or even become viral, using nothing but your thoughts and prompts. Lights, camera, Veo 2, Google's AI video generator. Let's switch gears. If you've ever wished you could type a sentence and get a movie scene, Google just made that possible. They've launched Veo 2, an upgraded AI video generator, now available to Gemini Advanced subscribers. Here's what it can do. Create 8-second cinematic video clips in 720p. Understand camera angles, like low-angle shots or drone pans. Recreate real-world physics and motion, like wind in trees, or a cat leaping onto a table. Example prompt used by Google, a low-angle shot of a pampered French bulldog wearing sunglasses, lounging on a daybed next to a turquoise pool with palm trees swaying in the background. The result? A buttery smooth video that looks like it came out of a commercial shoot. What makes this special? Well, most video AIs today produce blurry, twitchy animations. But Veo 2 is starting to feel like a camera operator inside your screen, one that understands how to tell a story visually. And now, there's Whisk Animate, a new tool for Google One AI Premium users. You upload an image, and it turns it into a video, like animating a book cover, a pet photo, or even your child's drawing. Parents, imagine this. You scan your kid's artwork, and Google turns it into a moving cartoon scene. Yeah, we're there. Claude's new voice mode, Mellow, Airy, and Buttery. Now let's talk about the third major player, Anthropic. Their Claude chatbot has been making waves for being safe, stable, and great at thoughtful answers. But now, Claude is getting a voice. Anthropic is about to launch something called Voice Mode with 3 voices, Airy, Mellow, and Buttery, which even has a British accent. It's rolling out in beta soon and aims to do what ChatGPT's voice mode does, let you talk to AI naturally, in real time. But Anthropic has a unique advantage: trust and business focus. They've been laser-focused on safety and enterprise users, So while OpenAI is chasing social platforms and Google's going cinematic, Claude is trying to be your professional assistant, your AI coworker, if you will. Picture this. You're in your kitchen making breakfast. You say, "Claude, what meetings do I have today? Did my kid's school email anything important?" And Claude responds in a warm, conversational voice. "You have a Zoom at 10, and yes, the PTA moved the spring carnival to Saturday. I also checked the weather. It'll be sunny." Claude plus Google Workspace equals game changer. But wait, it gets better. Claude now integrates with Google Workspace, Gmail, Calendar, and Docs. That means it can read your emails with permission, review your calendar, reference documents, and even cite exactly where it found the info. For example, you could say, "Claude, summarize my week and flag anything urgent," and Claude might respond, "You've got 2 client meetings, your boss sent you an important update Monday, and your kid's teacher rescheduled the parent conference." This is incredibly useful. You don't have to dig through emails or scroll your calendar. Claude does it for you, securely, and with full citations. Of course, security concerns exist. Anthropic says Claude does not train on your data, and everything is locked behind proper authentication. But time will tell how people feel about that. Claude Research versus OpenAI's Deep Research. Finally, there's one more tool to talk about, Claude Research. This is Anthropic's version of a smart search assistant, a feature that searches the web, gathers multiple sources, and returns detailed answers with citations. Sounds familiar? It should. OpenAI announced something similar earlier this year, called Deep Research. But Claude's version runs faster, typically under a minute, and doesn't use a separate model. It simply supercharges Claude's browsing capabilities. Imagine you're planning a vacation. "Claude, compare family-friendly resorts in Maui with weather forecasts, kid activities, and vegetarian meal options." Claude Research goes out, checks multiple sites, and gives you a summary that feels like it came from a travel expert, all while citing where it found each bit of info. It's like having your own research team on call, 24/7. The AI future is personal, visual, and vocal. So what have we learned today? OpenAI is expanding beyond chatbots, maybe into your social life. Google is giving you a Hollywood director's chair with Veo 2. Anthropic is quietly becoming the smartest office assistant you didn't know you needed, and it now talks. In short, AI isn't just about answering questions anymore. It's about showing you what you imagine, speaking to you like a helpful human, organizing your chaotic digital life without you lifting a finger. And the best part? This is just the beginning. Stick with us here on the Gadget Sage, where we turn the complex world of tech into insights that matter, so you're always one step ahead. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and may your gadgets always be just a little bit smarter than your problems.